You can easily hide your active status or your online status on WhatsApp so that you can read a message in peace and not have to have someone else asking you why you're not responding or why you're not picking up a call. I'll show you exactly how to change that on your iPhone or your Android. So let's open up the WhatsApp app. And from here, we need to get to your settings. So tap on You at the bottom right. On Android, you might tap at the top right instead. From here, scroll down and tap on Privacy, and then tap on Last Seen and Online. It says, who can see my last seen when you were last on WhatsApp? Switch this to Nobody. And who can see when I'm online currently or presently? Switch this to Same as Last Seen, aka in my case, Nobody. You might also want to go back out of here and then go down and make sure read receipts are also turned off so they won't know when you have read their message and they won't bother you about not responding to their message when you don't feel like it. I hope this helps. I know your day is busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of it here with me today, and I'll catch you on the next one.